Shit.
Shit.
What are you doing up, little miss?
Shit.
Nope, we don't say that. Only mommy says that word. She coined it. It belongs to her.
Why you up?
Because I got some important shit going on here. What do you think? No, I got some on my mind. I got some on my mind.
Was it Tooth Pups?
Sure was. Love you tons.
I love you 3,000.
So I thought I'd probably better record a little greeting in the case of an untimely death on my part. Then again, that's the hero gig. Right? Part of the journey is the end. I love you 3,000.